On the road to reopening, grim new numbers showing the deadly impact the pandemic has had in the United States. The death toll has now surpassed 130,000 people. That is by far the most in the world. More than 32,000 people have died in New York State, more than 15,000 in New Jersey. As the number of cases climb in hotspots across the country, parts of our region continue to reopen. CBS 2's Alice Gaynor live on the West Side tonight with the latest. Alice.
Maurice, New York City entered phase 3 of reopening today. Other areas are getting ready for phase 4. New Jersey just allowed graduations capped at 500 people starting today. But depending upon where you live, these phases, these stages are coming to an end. And while many businesses were able to reopen today, there's still a big question about a lot of others. The hoops were back up at basketball courts in New York City Monday.
Just ready to get out here.
Tennis courts and dog runs also opened. So too did tanning and nail salons, spas and tattoo parlors with restrictions.
We have 50% occupancy for personal care services. You have to wear face coverings.
Which means services like facials are still on pause. And for customers at this Upper West Side nail salon,
when customers come in, we have to have a measure temperature.
Long Island is set to enter phase 4 Wednesday, Westchester, Rockland, and Hudson Valley Tuesday. Higher education, low-risk indoor and outdoor arts and entertainment like museums and zoos, media production and professional sports competition with no fans, those can all reopen.
There is no phase 5 that's been identified, or phase 6. What the governor has done has banned certain activities across the board.
Casinos, movie theaters, gyms, and health clubs remain closed. The New York State Fair was canceled. In New Jersey, Governor Murphy warned of a troubling new sign Monday. He said the state is seeing its highest rate of transmission in 10 weeks, and now every infected resident is giving the virus to at least one other person. He believes new outbreaks are tied to travel.
Over the weekend, we learned of several outbreaks across our state directly tied to travel to other COVID-19 hotspots nationwide.
New Jersey Transit rail and light rail service resumed a full weekday schedule. At Newark Penn, some felt there were too many people on board.
Literally, there were people on top of each other. I felt like a sardine in a can.
Others noticed that not everyone was wearing a mask.
Our frontline professionals remind our customers to wear their masks. And if there's a failure to comply, police assistance can be called in.
Governor Murphy cautions.
I do not want to have to hit another pause on our restart because a small number of New Jerseyans are being irresponsible and spreading COVID-19 while the rest of us continue to work hard to stop it.
Here in New York, big questions about places like gyms. This very popular gym in Hell's Kitchen has been vacant for months. People also want to know about indoor dining. Governor Cuomo says he's following the science and the facts. Governor Murphy in New Jersey also has no date yet for indoor dining there. We're live tonight in Hell's Kitchen. Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.